evening time, everybody. Hope you're all doing all right out there this evening. I would like to invite you to join us on the YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, giveaways, and perks. Check out our merch store. Check us out at DonkeyStomper.com. Please hit the like and subscribe button on YouTube. Don't cost you a dime, helps us out. Alrighty guys, this is for a good customer of mine. It's a 1000VB-HG2879 CW transmitter. Just completely rebuilt it. I went through and put all new transistors in it. Changed some capacitors on the output tune, the input tune. Retuned the whole thing and just went all the way through it, one end to the other. It turned out really, really good. So we're going to do this one for the gentleman. He's got another one over here. Well, we're going to get back on the 12 pill after this and wait a little while and do his other one. But so next up, we should be finishing the 12 pill for a customer down in the Bayou, and then a 12 pill all in one. Then we're going to do a radio for another good customer. Something I don't generally do. We're going to do a 29 build for another customer and get them shipped out on the website. We should have some 1x4s ready to put in stock for long. The website is open, DonkeyStomper.com. Custom builds are open, and you can order whatever you want to there in the custom options, and you can take and order what's in stock and get it shipped right away. Now we're trying to get more stuff in stock. The goal is to keep 1 pills, 2 pills, 4 pills, 1x4s, and 6 pills in stock at least. We're trying. I don't know if we're going to get there. Right now we got 1 pills, 2 pills, and 4 pills. 1x4s on the way. We're getting close. Alright guys, that's enough of that. Let's see what this thing's doing. Straight through SWR like we do it. Oh, I did clean my mic switch, so far it's working good. I cleaned it all out. About 5 hamburgers and 5 years of use. So maybe it'll stay working. Only got our input SWR, output PUP on the third dummy load. Hello worldwide, hello worldwide. Look at the input SWR, it's perfect. Output SWR, man, this thing's sweet. Worldwide, wide. It's sweet too, buddy, right here. This thing's doing really good. The gentleman should do really good with it. Alrighty, let's go over here and get on our, let's look at our birds. 2500 watt PUP on the bird, up top. Hello worldwide, 1900 on the bird, half watt reflect. We'll go over and get on the outdoor dummy load on the Colossal. Colossal outdoor dummy load. The Colossal 10K is good antenna, guys. You can't beat it. Alrighty, see what we got here. Hello worldwide. Look at that SWR. Ain't that sweet? Love it. Hello worldwide. This box is working really good, bud. Should do a good job now. Hello, come in. 1, 2, 3. Getting on down. Like I said, she should be working as good as if you just bought a brand new 2x8 or better. So there she is, bud. I appreciate your business. Alrighty, guys. That's about all I got for you on this video. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. Hit the subscribe button. We'd like to invite you to join us on YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, giveaways, and perks. Check out our merch store. Check us out at DonkeyStomper.com. DonkeyStomper.com. Y'all take care. Your friend in 10, 018 Beavis. Donkey Stomper Products. Catch you later. Bye-bye.